Hey, good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting with some commentary for Monday. It's about 2:20 Eastern Time. Markets kind of all over the place, so I'll just get right into them. In the cotton market today, just continue to see a weakness in the front-end cotton. Of course, July is the front month. It's below 90 cents, a far cry from the 96 or 97 cents it went to. So it looks like to me we're going to stay kind of down in here. New crop December did break below 8,200. Today, traded down to 81.68. It looks like it's going to close back above 8,200 for a moment, but it too is struggling. And of course, there was rain put in the forecast for West Texas. I think this Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they're forecasting about 40 to 50% chance of rain. Then into early next week, maybe as high as 60%. But you know how those rain patterns and cloud patterns can certainly change. That may not even be the case at all. Over in the grains today, beans had a big rally. I think we just saw a lot of speculative buying toward the low end as the market really failed to break meaningful support on the old crop. July, the lowest July's been to this month was 14.42. We got down to 14.56. A little bit above that, and couldn't do anything. And we rallied to the upside and saw some short covering. Also, some pretty good buying in the meal. China was supposed to auction off some beans, and maybe I'm thinking that was canceled. We'll just have to find out. Corn today continued to erode. We saw the same thing last Monday, you might recall, where the corn market took a spell waiting on the planting progress numbers, which came out kind of bearish, and the next day, Tuesday, we were up. So those planting progress numbers come out today around 4 o'clock Eastern Time. We'll see how far advanced the crop is. I think I saw or dreamed that they planted 1 million acres in Iowa in 4 days last week. So that's moving right along. Over in the wheat market today, kind of mixed. Finally saw wheat break pretty hard. I think wheat certainly is certainly the whipping boy. I think people are buying beans, selling wheat, buying corn, selling wheat. I think they're buying anything and selling wheat. Basis the last crop report, we did see a little more wheat than we thought we were going to have. Kansas City wheat, of course, broke based on the notion that they were going to get a little bit of rain, quarter of an inch, over 10% of the growing area, but looks like they may close unchanged or slightly up today in the wheat. So we'll see what these planting progress numbers mean this afternoon and their implication, and be on here tomorrow. If you have any questions or comments, of course, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.